Hi everyone, welcome back to The True Host. Today we're going to explore how to add Amazon affiliate links to your WordPress site. If you're looking to monetize your site by promoting Amazon products, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure you have 1. An Amazon Associates account. You'll need to be signed up for Amazon's affiliate program. 2. A WordPress site. Obviously, you'll need a WordPress site to add the links to. If you don't have an Amazon Associates account yet, go to Amazon Associates, https://affiliate-program.amazon.com/ and sign up. Once you're signed into your Amazon Associates account, follow these steps to get your affiliate links. 1. Log in, go to the Amazon Associates website and log into your account. 2. Search for products. Use the search bar at the top to find the product you want to promote. 3. Get the link, click on the product, then click the Get Link button. You'll see options for text, image, or text and image links. Now, let's add those affiliate links to your WordPress site. There are 3 common methods, using the block editor, the classic editor, and a dedicated plugin. For this tutorial, we will cover using a plugin, for example, Thirsty Affiliates. Install and activate the Thirsty Affiliates plugin from Plugins. Add new, go to Thirsty Affiliates. Add new to create a new affiliate link. Enter your Amazon affiliate URL and a descriptive name. Use the Thirsty Affiliates shortcode or widget to insert the link into your posts or pages. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. 1. Disclosure. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. This can be done with a brief disclaimer at the beginning or end of your content. 2. Relevancy. Ensure that the products you promote are relevant to your content and audience. 3. Link tracking. Use a plugin or Amazon's built-in tracking to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. And that's it. You now know how to add Amazon affiliate links to your WordPress site. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.